Hello sir, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like 2 chicken please.
Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation under my name, Mr. Tong.
Okay, how do you spell your name?
Thong.
H-O-N-G
S
S-A-I.
AI.
Okay. You have booked a single room for 3 nights, is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, Mr. Tong, here are your key, room and Wi-Fi password.
Okay, thanks. Okay, is there any shampoo or conditioner in the room?
Yes sir.
Oh, thank you very much. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 8:30 in the dining room on the first floor.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, enjoy your stay sir.
Okay.
Have a good day.